Hey guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be doing this right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15 minutes time frame using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. Okay, this had been on downtrend for a while, but after getting to this support zone, it was unable to break out from there, so it started an uptrend right from there. It got to this resistance region. It has not been able to go above that, so it's pulled back and may likely be trying it out again. Once it breaks out from there, then it's going to buy more. But if it breaks out below this particular support region, then it's going to sell more and may likely get to this region. However, we expect more buying than selling. Okay. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Okay, so GainX 999 actually started an uptrend from here, but got to this region and of course had the pullback right from there. Okay, so and of course it has been playing around there for a while because it's trying to go back into an uptrend. Okay, it's most likely for it to go back to see if it can break out above this particular resistance region. Okay, and of course if it breaks out below this particular support region, then it's going to sell more. However, we expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, because that should be a major pullback. Okay, so next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Okay, for Paynex 1200 started an uptrend from here and it has been buying since then. Okay, I also gave the signal, this particular signal in the Telegram channel, and of course it has gotten to TP1 heading towards the next TP. Okay, this will buy and will likely get to this particular spot. Okay, so you can check the details of the signal in the Telegram channel also. Okay, so this is going to be more buying than selling also. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1999. Okay, let's check it out. Paynex 999. Okay, so this should be Paynex 999, and of course I'm going to add my template to it, my indicator. Okay, so this is my frame. Okay, and of course zoom it out a bit. Okay, so this is Paynex 999, and of course this had been on downtrend for a while. Okay, and of course it is still selling right now, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. Okay, so guys, this is FX volume. Okay, let's check out FX volume 80 together. Okay guys, this is FX volume 80, and of course just where we are seeing it, this has been on a very strong uptrend. There are major pullbacks in between, okay, but it's been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, it has gotten to this resistance, and if it's unable to break out above it, then definitely it will change, or we are most likely to see a downtrend signal right from there. Okay, but for now it is still buying until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a follow right now? Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.